How to share a list on Twitter to direct message. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share a list on Twitter to direct message. So all what you have to do is go to Twitter and now go to the top here, click on lists, go down and choose your list. For example, this is the list that I want to share. And now go to the top here again, click on this little share option, and now you can click send via direct message or click share and choose Twitter. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.